Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if DeepSeek has a browser extension. So as you can see here, there are different DeepSeek extensions in the Chrome Web Store, but none of them are the official ones. So as you can see, this one is provided by DeepSeekAI.works, which isn't the DeepSeek.com. This is DeepSeek AI, which is also not DeepSeek.com. Then here you can also click on that and see it has been offered by some user that is clearly not DeepSeek, and this is also not DeepSeek. But since they are probably based on the DeepSeek API, they may be actually good, but I don't know if you can trust these. So I personally wouldn't install the unofficial ones. Maybe the official one will be available someday in the future. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.